Hi guys, welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. My name's Amanda and today we're going to be doing an advanced ladies arm styling routine. It's going to be short, but you could just keep repeating it over and over again. We are going to face you guys and flip the image so it's easier to follow along. Before you guys continue on with this video, make sure you check out our first video where I explain the basic principles of arm styling. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna start with our feet together. Right foot prepares to dance. We're gonna step to the side on 4, and our right arm is gonna shoot up. 4, 1. Okay, let's do it one more time. Feet together. And 2, 3, and 4. Hold 1. Now from here, we're gonna take our right arm and put it around our head and bring our left foot in. 2, 3, 4, 1. And on the 4, 1, we're gonna switch our weight to the left foot. Okay, one more time, feet together. Right foot prepares to dance. We have 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and switch the weight. From here, we're gonna go into a sliding doors. We're gonna step back with our right foot, 2, and as we step back with our right foot, our right arm is gonna go out to the side, left arm is in. 2, now we switch. 3, left arm out to the side, and 4, right arm out to the side, 1. Okay, let's rewind one more time. We just finished our little wiggle wiggle. We came up and right arm, left arm, right arm. From here, we're going to continue, step forward with the right foot. Right arm is gonna go around the head, 2 and 3. And from here, we have turn and step forward, walk, turning. And as we do the forward walk turning, I'm gonna leave my right arm in front, left arm behind. Okay, let's rewind. Let's do it from the beginning of the sliding doors. We have and right arm, left arm, right arm, around the head, around the head, and step, turn. Okay, now the second sliding doors, we're gonna put our arm up. Up, other hand, left hand is on our hip. 2, when we go on 3, we're gonna put this hand around the head. 3, and on the hip, 4, and then from here, just regular Rumba arms for the cucaracha. 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, let's go from the second sliding doors where we do our forward walk turning. We have our right arm in front. Arm shoots up. 2 and around the head. 3 on the hip. 4, and then we have left arm, right arm, and from here we step across with the left arm. Okay, now we're gonna start from the beginning again up until the last sliding doors. So we have right foot prepares, 2, 3, and 4. Around the head, 2, 3, switch the weight, 4, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 2, and 3, and 4. And 2, and 3, and 4. And 2, and 3, and 4. Okay, now we're gonna take it from where we just finished. We just did the second sliding doors. We stepped forward with our left foot and our left arm is open to the side. So from here, we have a cucaracha to the side, right arm opens, left arm opens, and from here when we collect our feet together, we're gonna put our arms down, down. Then we're gonna do switches, 2 and 3. From here on 4, we're gonna do a full turn to the left, 4. From here, we are going to do a cucaracha to the right, right arm opens, 2 and 3. And from here, we're gonna step forward with that right foot and we're gonna go 4 with our arm up. So let's rewind, do that one more time. Our last sliding doors, left arm, left leg. We open up, 2 and 3, arms down, and 2 and 3, and turn, and right and left and up. Okay, from here we are going to do a hip twist turn. We step forward, walk, turning. Again, another hip twist turn, forward walk, and a nice slow forward walk turning. Okay, so those are just the steps. I'll go through the arms, but let's just get that crazy turning section. So we stepped forward with the right. We had our arm up, 4, 1. We do forward walk turning, hip twist turn, forward walk turning. Okay, now let's talk about the arms in this turning section. We stepped forward and we put the arm up. We turn. From here, I'm going to let my arms unwind first. So right arm comes around, and as I finish the forward walk turning, I leave my right arm in front. I'm gonna do another hip twist turn. From here, I'm gonna put my arm up and around my head as I turn. So from here, up and around my head as I turn. Again, forward walk turning, I let my arms go first. Right arm in front, I turn my lower half of my body. And from here, this should be 2, 3, and 4. And we're back to the beginning. Okay, one more time, we'll talk about the arms. This is the first one, 4, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then that's the beginning. Okay, let's take it from the second sliding doors. We just finished it. Left arm, left leg. From here, we have cucaracha, 2 and 3, arms down. Switch, switch, and turn. Side and forward. And turn, 3 and 4. 1 slow, 2, 3, and 4. Okay guys, let's take it from the very beginning, nice and slow. We have right foot prepares to dance, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, turn 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, and beginning 4. Alrighty guys, let's try this with nice slow music. Alrighty guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Bye.